Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Kicks. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine. You deserve the comfort and style this Kicks has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.